This video looks at underfloor heating. To first of all decide whether you're having underfloor heating or not, you would effectively double click in the room space and that will bring up the profile where you then tick the box underfloor heating installed. That gives you the exposed area of your floor, which then allows you to examine whether or not underfloor heating is viable for a prime source of heating or whether you want to apply it in combination with ventilation as a secondary source of heating. Having ticked the box, we can then view the results. This is where you go up to the underfloor heating losses. This will then give you a breakdown of the room name, the losses, the fabric losses, the infiltration and ventilation, and then it will give you the mean watts per meter K squared, watts per meter squared, and watts per meter cubed. So you can see you're getting quite a high figure there. You might want to consider a different form of heating or some separate heating there as well. So that allows you to look at the results and then effectively by others to design the underfloor heating system in that particular space. Back in the building program, you can do a more global change where you can allocate all of the room spaces. So here we are back in the building program where we've isolated all of the rooms on the ground floor. So I can then select the spaces that I want to apply underfloor heating to. So I can select the spaces, go to the miscellaneous tab and select the fact that I want underfloor heating installed. Apply those values, select OK. That will then update those spaces. Here we are back in the energy program, so that then when I go to the display, underfloor losses, you can see now we've got 5 spaces there, all with nominated to apply underfloor heating. If we're going to do radiant panels, this would be a case of going to Edit General, General Plant, going to the Heating tab and deciding on the percentage convective heating. So a typical radiant panel might be only 20% convective, and you can apply whether or not you're going to apply that correction factor. If there's no correction factor, you're going to apply 20%.